Today we are going to boil old cucumber soup, which is very easy to cook and very delicious. Now you have your sliced old cucumber, and you have a medium-sized old cucumber. You have a bit of chicken meat, and this is the dried oysters, about 10 pieces, and also you have about red dates, 5 to 6. I have the bigger size red dates, and this is the dried scallops, which you can have about 200 grams depending on how much you like scallops. Then you add about 2 bowls of water and put it into the pressure cooker to boil the soup. It's very fast and easy to boil with a pressure cooker, and that's why I like cooking soup with the pressure cooker. Once everything is inside, you seal it and let the pressure build up before it boils. You can set it to soup and lentils so it will cook by itself and you can have soup ready once it's done. So simple, isn't it? That's why I always like enjoying cooking with pressure cooker for soups, because it is fast and easy, clean and tidy. Now we are starting to build up pressure, and there it is, cooked and ready to eat. Just look at the steam coming out. Wow, the aroma is just fantastic, and I really love this soup. To try it and enjoy the soup with your friends and your family.